Good morning. It is May 18th, 2023. Lots of earnings to keep up with today. The market's up because they think that there'll be a deal with this debt ceiling impasse. Let's go check what the signals are telling us. All right, here we're on the Longbow dashboard, and I've brought you a whole bunch of overbought, oversold signals. Why does this matter? S&P by the SPY here, overbought. We're just north of that line, that red line. So the stock price is above the high end of the trading range. So your odds are now negative 1.8 to 1. And then the opposite of that, that's the inverse ETF. So people going short the S&P, makes sense. That is oversold. So you can use these and see what's going on. So the core signals are also flashing. They're not very strong, but then you would short the SPY or you would go long the SH. So all of these things match, right? Next thing, we've got the Russell. Russell is overbought. Its inverse ETF, which is RWM, oversold. So this is why the signals matter. It tells you they're very, very similar. This one overbought, this one oversold. You're also getting longer core signals here, but they're a little bit weak. That signal strength, and you can read about it, is not very strong in terms of telling you, hey, you should short the Russell or go long this, but it's telling you, technically speaking, these are flagging. Next, the bank ETF, KBE. What rhymes on the Longbow dashboard today, if you go over the top 25, you'll see a bunch of financials over there on the right-hand side of the page, which is the greatest asymmetry, the top 25 asymmetry to the downside. So it makes sense that the bank ETF is above the top end of its trading range. You've got, wow, -8 to 1 downside and a core signal of short. Again, it's a weak signal. But I would be careful here if you've been going long and buying into a potential rebound. Be super careful on those signals. And then the opposite of that, short financials, gosh, it's hugging the low end of the trading range. So again, you're seeing, the right side, the left side, the right side, the left side, right side, left side. And then I threw in an extra bonus for you because this was on the top 25. We've got it overbought with JETS. That's at the top end of the trading range. So if you've been buying JETS, whether it's the ETF or the underlying securities, you should be careful from a technical perspective. That's it for today. We'll catch you back tomorrow at Longbow.